Today, I'm excited to share what I believe is one of the best foundation for oily skin in the luxury brand, Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. This foundation is a game changer if you have oily, combination, normal, mature skin, and you are looking for that flawless, long-lasting coverage. In this video, I will share why it is suitable for oily skin. I will show you the foundation shade based on its skin tone and undertones, so you can easily choose your perfect shade. Hello, I'm Cutie Lucy. First, let's talk about what makes the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation so special. This foundation has been around for years. It is famous for its 24-hour wear. It means it stayed in place all day, even on oily skin. It is oil-free, control shine, and gives you a beautiful matte finish without feeling heavy or cakey. Plus, it is available for 57 shades, so you are easy to find the perfect match for your skin tone and undertone. Now, let's dive into 57 shades of our Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. These are the lighter shades. These shades are a great choice for cool skin tone with rosy peach undertones, pink undertones. These shades are suitable for neutral skin tones with only neutral undertones. Neutral means balanced undertones that aren't too cool or too warm. Peach undertones, rosy undertones. These shades are a great option for warm skin tones with peach undertones, only warm undertones, Estée olive undertones. These are light medium shades. These shades are a great choice for cool skin tones with pink undertones, pink peach undertones, rosy beige undertones, rosy undertones. These shades are suitable for neutral skin tones with only neutral undertones, Estée golden undertones. These shades are a great option for warm skin tones with yellow undertones, peach undertones, olive undertones. These are medium shades. These shades are a great choice for cool skin tones with rosy beige undertones, rosy undertones, rosy beige undertones. These shades are suitable for neutral skin tones with only neutral undertones, Estée golden undertones. These shades are a great option for warm skin tones with golden undertones, golden olive undertones, olive undertones. These are medium tan shades. These shades are a great choice for cool skin tones with rosy undertones, red undertones, rosy beige undertones. These shades are suitable for neutral skin tones with only neutral undertones, Estée golden undertones, red undertones. These shades are a great option for warm skin tones with golden undertones, olive undertones, red undertones, golden olive undertones. These are deep shades. These shades are a great choice for cool skin tones with Estée red undertones, red undertones. These shades are suitable for neutral skin tones with only neutral undertones, golden red undertones, Estee golden undertones. These shades are a great option for warm skin tones with golden undertones, olive undertones, yellow undertones. These are very deep shades. These shades are a great choice for cool skin tones with setted red undertones. Red undertones. These shades are suitable for neutral skin tones with only neutral undertones. Setted brown undertones. These shades are a great option for warm skin tones with golden undertones, brown undertones. These extra deep shades are a great choice for cool skin tones with red undertones, rich red undertones. This extra deep shade is suitable for neutral brown undertones. This extra deep shade is a great option for warm golden undertones. This deeper shade is a great choice for cool brown undertones. This deeper shade is suitable for neutral rich brown undertones. Rich neutral undertones. Let's recap to compare the shades, so you are easy to find the perfect match for your skin tone and undertone. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my Cutie Lucy's channel. So, one is Estee Lauder Double Well, the best foundation for oily skin. Simple. It's long-lasting, controls oil, and stays matte all day. Plus, it doesn't clog your pores or feel heavy. You get that flawless, airbrushed look without the greasy T-zone at the end of the day. If you are someone who struggles with oily skin, I highly recommend giving this one a try. It's perfect for weddings, long work days, or any time you need your makeup to stay in place without needing tons or touch-ups. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye.